How to use the cavity tool in SolidWorks. The cavity tool in SolidWorks is a powerful feature for creating simple molds. Here's how to use it. Prerequisites. Before using the cavity tool, you'll need design parts, the parts you want to mold, a mold base, the part that will hold the cavity, an interim assembly, where the cavity will be created. Steps to create a cavity. Insert the design parts and mold base into an interim assembly. In the assembly window, select the mold base and click Edit Component on the assembly toolbar. Click Cavity on the Mold Tools toolbar or go to Insert, Mold Cavity. In the Cavity Property Manager, under Design Components, select the design parts from the Feature Manager design tree. Choose Scaling Options. Set the scaling factor. Click the green check mark to create the cavity. Thanks for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe if you like this video.